In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup on another Hostinger account. Whether you're switching accounts or just ensuring your data is safe and sound, restoring a backup is a critical skill to have. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to go to the Hostinger homepage. If you haven't already, just open your web browser and type in the Hostinger website URL. Hostinger is a great platform that helps you bring your ideas online with a website. So once you are on their page, you'll find it user-friendly and easy to navigate. When you've arrived at the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to click on the Log In button. This should be prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Enter your credentials to log into your account. It's always a good idea to double check your username and password for any typos to avoid any login errors. Once successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account's management dashboard. Now go to the Hostinger panel, also known as hPanel. This is where the magic happens. The homepage on hPanel serves as your control center, allowing you to manage all aspects of your website efficiently. Now with your site set on your website settings, the next thing you need to do is find the Manage button. It should be visible on your screen right next to the domain or service you wish to administer. By clicking this, you will access all the management features available for your hosting plan. While you're here, navigate over to the Files section. This is where you can see and handle all the files associated with your website. Once there, find the Backups section. Clicking Backups will lead you to a page showing all the backups available for your account. Backups are important because they store copies of your website and database at different points in time, providing a safety net for your data. In the Backups section, you will see a list of your available backups, usually organized by date. Choose the backup you wish to restore. This will typically involve downloading the backup file to your computer when moving it to a different Hostinger account. Ensure you have enough storage space before starting this process to prevent any interruptions. After selecting the desired backup, follow the on-screen instructions to download the file to your local machine. Then, log into the target Hostinger account where you want to restore the backup. Lastly, navigate to the backup section on this new account and upload the backup file you downloaded earlier, making sure it matches the new environment's requirements. And there you have it, you've successfully restored your backup on a new Hostinger account. This process not only helps in securing your data, but also ensures you're prepared for any unforeseen issues. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.